To fix the Rheem furnace error code 65, it's essential to understand what this code indicates. A problem with the heat exchanger. The common causes of this issue include an oversized furnace, clogged filters, or clogged vents. To resolve this, the first step is to ensure the right size of furnace for your home, as an oversized one can cause overheating problems. Determining the right size involves calculating your home's heating load, considering the efficiency rating of the furnace, and consulting with a professional for the best recommendation. Additionally, cleaning out the furnace filters is crucial. Unplug the furnace. Remove the covering panel to access the filters. Inspect the extent of clogging, and clean them with water or replace them if heavily clogged. Reassembling the furnace and testing it is the next step. If the issue persists, check the furnace vents by unplugging the furnace, locating the vents, inspecting for obstructions and damage, removing any blockages, and replacing damaged components before reassembling and testing the furnace again. If the problem remains, it's advisable to seek further guidance from a professional.